Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today will we discuss about the chapter 7. Okay, and chapter 7 is starting visual basic. Starting visual basic. So this is a new chapter for you, and this is first programming chapter. Okay, yes. So let's start. In this chapter, let's see what will we read. Okay, so that first in this chapter we shall learn topic programming, language, and introduction and starting to visual basic. Introduction and starting to visual basic, and creating program using wizard, and that creating first program visual basic environment, and setting up form at level, text box, command button, list box, and combo box, etc. Okay, student. So in this chapter we shall learn related that topic of the chapter, starting visual basic. So programming language, that means student, a programming is a series of instructions that lets the computer to perform the task. Okay, suppose a person who create a modify program are called programmer or developer. Okay student, कोई भी प्रोग्राम जो बनाता है वो क्या कहलाता है? प्रोग्रामर और डेवलपर कहलाता है. एंड टू क्रिएट ए प्रोग्राम, programmers sometimes write or code a program instruction using a programming language. Okay, so a programming language is a set of words, okay, abbreviation and symbols that enables a programmer to communicate instruction to a computer. So that means student, in the previous class you read the HTML. Okay, yes. So HTML में स्टूडेंट आपने क्या किया था? कमांड, टैग्स, ओके, एंड एलिमेंट्स वगैरह यूज कर रहे थे. यस, सो दिस इज ए इंस्ट्रक्शन, दिस इज ए सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, यस. हाउ विल बी यूज द टैग? सो सेम कंडीशन with the starting visual basic. So a programming language is a set of words, abbreviation and symbols that enables a programmer to communicate instruction to a कंप्यूटर, जिससे कि प्रोग्रामर कंप्यूटर से क्या करता है, कम्युनिकेट करता है। कम्युनिकेट दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट, वो जो कमांड लिखेगा कंप्यूटर उसको आउटपुट के रिजल्ट की तरह देगा। ओके, इसी को कहते हैं कम्युनिकेट विद द यूजर, बिटवीन द यूजर एंड कंप्यूटर। ओके स्टूडेंट, यस, एंड हियर यू नो दैट level, low level language and high level language. Okay, so here we read about the low level language is a machine dependent programming language, and a machine dependent language runs on only one particular types of computer. High level language often are machine independent. A machine independent language can run on many different types of computer and operating system. Okay, so Visual Basic, a programming language. Visual Basic is a programming language. Okay, so let's see how that Visual Basic is a programming language. So that's your second topic is introduction and starting to Visual Basic.
Okay student, so look here, what is Visual Basic? So Visual Basic is a programming language that allows programmer easily to build complex task oriented object based program, and Visual Basic is based on the basic programming language, so which was developed by Microsoft Corporation in the early 1990s. So this language is easy to learn and use. Thus, Visual Basic is ideal for beginning programmer. Okay, student. So this para about the Visual Basic. So let's start. Look here, edition of Visual Basic. So here are Enterprise Edition and Professional Edition and Learning Edition. ओके, सो लर्निंग एडिशन में स्टूडेंट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द एडिशन इंक्लूड द स्टैंडर्ड कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ द प्रोग्रामिंग टूल्स एंड एवरीथिंग वन नीड टू गेट स्टार्टेड प्रोग्रामिंग ए मल्टीमीडिया CD ROM called Learn VB that means Visual Basic. So now comes with the package as well as a full set of Microsoft Developer Network document, so that you will have the help that you require to learn and use Visual Basic. So look here, starting Visual Basic. So to start the Visual Basic, you have to follow the following step. So click on the start button, same thing, and click on all program, click on Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 and click on Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Microsoft Visual Basic and Windows will appear. So student, this type window open हो जाएगा. Okay, and here new, existing and reset. So what is the new and existing, the recent? New, that tab lets you create a new application by using various wizard or starting from scratch, and existing tab lets you select and open an existing Visual Basic project, and recent tab that display a list of Visual Basic projects that are recently opened or created. Okay student, and next topic is your in the point creating program using wizard. So student, you look here, what is wizard? So a wizard presents step by steps question and prompts that you respond to. Okay, as you respond, the wizard generates an application that matches the criteria you specify. For example, in MS Word, there is a wizard for making mail merge in PowerPoint. Okay, in MS Word and in PowerPoint, there is a wizard to make a presentation. So like that, Visual Basic also support Wizard technology to help you create program. Okay, student, understand what is Wizard? So Wizard is a help option. That means how will we use the Visual Basic, so that when you start Visual Basic program, you have to choice to create an application from scratch, to use a wizard to create an application general structure. After the wizard creates the application structure, you can fill in the details. Okay, so look here, student, this is a wizard. Okay, yes, so click the new tab and click on the, here is step, this is a application wizard. Okay, on Visual Basic. So click on Visual Basic and application wizard, and if you want to start with the help of wizard, clear? And this is a step how will open the wizard option. Okay, student, so look here, this is a step of the wizard. And main point, student, that's how we'll create the first program. So that means after creating the application using wizard, now we will learn to make the application program from the scratch, open Visual Basic. Okay, yes, so this option is wizard and this option is new. Okay, yes, so just start a new project, click on new tab and click on standard.exe. Okay, yes, and click on open. So जैसे ही आप ओपन करते हैं स्टूडेंट, ये आपका ओपन होकर के विजुअल बेसिक एप्लीकेशन ओपन हो जाता है. ओके, यस, सो लुक हियर, डिस्प्ले, यस, सो व्हाट इज दिस वन एंड दिस वन. सो turn the page number 100 and look here. So this one is form and this white one is project container window, and you know well about that menu bar, second line, and first line is title bar. Okay, and this one is a control button, minimize, maximize and close. Okay, student, and after menu bar line is called toolbar, because here is different tool are showing. Okay, and this one is toolbox, and right side of the desktop, project explorer, that one, and properties window and form layout window. Okay, yes, फॉर्म लेआउट विंडो, दैट मीन्स यहाँ स्टूडेंट शो करता है कि आपका ये जो फॉर्म है, ठीक है, कैसा शो करेगा. ओके, यस, सो स्टूडेंट लुक हियर, ये जो टूल बार है, ओके, हियर इज टूल बार, सो दिस इज ए पार्ट ऑफ दैट. ओके, लुक हियर, सो हियर explain to all tools. Okay, pointer, label, frame, checkbox, combo box, H scroll bar, timer, drill list box, shape, image, OLE, and picture box, text box. Okay, and common button, option button, list box, V scroll bar, and drive list box, and file list box, line and data. So here are many tools, and you know that menu bar, toolbar and toolbox. Menu bar, it contain menu command of Visual Basic such as file, edit, and other option as available on that bar. So it also has many other commands such as project, format, debug, run, query program, add ins, and many other which are specific to Visual Basic. Okay, student, so this is a Visual Basic application. So student, how will use the Visual Basic? So student, look here, double click on form 1. So look here, okay. जैसे ही आप स्टूडेंट इस पेज पर आप क्लिक करते हैं तो ये फ्रंट पेज पर आ जाएगा आपका, और यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, आपका टाइप करेंगे. क्या टाइप हो रहा है, प्रिंट विजुअल बेसिक इज ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज हो रहा है कोडिंग के थ्रू, ओके. यहाँ पर हम फॉर्म 1 शो करेंगे और प्रिंट यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. सो प्रिंट विजुअल बेसिक इज ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज विथ डबल एडेड कॉमा. सो लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, तो ये जो फॉर्म है आपका, ओके, ये फॉर्म पर यहाँ पर आ जाएगा टाइप हो करके. आप टाइप इस पे करेंगे और इस पर रिजल्ट शो करेगा. मतलब प्रोग्राम आपका कोडिंग कहाँ रन करेगा, फॉर्म पर, कि दैट इज ए विजुअल बेसिक इज ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. यस. सो एडिंग लेबल इन द फॉर्म. ओके, कैसे हम लोग जो है फॉर्म को जो है ऐड करेंगे. सो हियर क्लिक ऑन लेबल बटन एंड क्लिक एंड ड्रैग इन द प्लेस ऑफ द. और स्टूडेंट हम इसकी साइज को जो है क्या कर सकते हैं, डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. ओके, यस. लुक हियर, दैट डॉट दैट डॉट दैट डॉट. यस. तो यहाँ पे हम माउस से ड्रैग करके इसकी साइज को, फॉर्म की साइज को हम एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. ओके, एंड लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, सपोज हियर राइट इज टेक्स्ट 1, ओके, एंड हियर कस्टमर आईडी. सो जैसे ही आप अपना जो है यहाँ पर कमांड टाइप करते हैं और ये रिजल्ट आपका फॉर्म पर शो होने लगता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, या. सो दिस इज ए टोटली कोडिंग प्रोग्रामिंग. लुक हियर, जैसा कि यहाँ पर दिख रहा है स्टूडेंट, लिस्ट 1, ऐड आइटम संडे, मंडे. ओके, या. सो हियर आर different coding and add the form list. So look here, combo 1, add item Delhi. So write the Delhi. Okay, yes. So student, do the practice, okay, with the visual basic and read that topic. Read. So here solve example. So totally student, this is a series of instruction on the computer to perform the task. Okay, and visual basic based on basic programming language that allow programmers easily to build complex task oriented object based program. So let's start student the MCQ. Okay, so that's, look here, first question MCQ, it is machine dependent language is low level language. Okay, so low level language is a correct option. And B, this edition include a full set of tools and wizard that help you to package and distribute application. So second option is correct, professional edition. Okay, and it allows application to contain one open document window. First option SDI. And that D question, it asks for the user's ID and password as a security. So logging dialog. It display the date and time. So where looking, so second option is status bar. And F, it help to adjust object on form editor, second option. So next student, fill in the blanks. You are looking first LLL, that means low level languages are machine independent. Okay, and second, the programmer writes instructions to define any action. Okay, and C, a wizard present step by step questions and prompts that you respond to. And D, explorer style lets your application work like window explorer. And E, question that's about box. Is dialog box appear when you select help about from application menu. And last, properties. Okay, properties, properties window contain the properties of the object. Clear? And next topic, true or false. So an event is the result of an action. True. An machine independent language can run on many type of computers. That's true. And C, question, Visual Basic support wizard technology to create programs. That's true. And D, question, MDI allows application to contain one open document window. That's false. And question number E of the true false, splash screen is a tabbed dialog box. So that's false. And last question, most of your work goes on inside the form window. That's true. Okay students, so that's complete MCQ and fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, and that's your fourth question, label the following window of Visual Basic. So that picture, draw the practical copy of left side and right, fill the box. Okay, yes. And next question, very short and long answer, do the complete in the next class. So thank you so much student, and complete the chapter in your notebook.